And now, this is the moment of truth.
Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to cook a Jollibee Garlic Pepper Beef. Okay, so let's start.
These are the ingredients: garlic, pepper, and beef. Okay, and the special recipe, the secret recipe of Jollibee, Mang Tomas. Okay, so let's cook. Okay guys, so first we need to make dik-dik the garlic with the bote. Right? Dik-dik it like that. And then be sure the stapler is separated from the paminta, or else we're going to eat this stapler. Okay? And then okay, next step is to turn on the fire of the kalang of the stove. Okay, and make sure the pan is heated. Okay, as you can see, it is smoking now. Smoking. And then, if the pan is so many smoke, we will going to turn down the fire like this. Okay, and then we put the frozen beef. Oh wait. Take two. This is the beef, the whole beef, the frozen beef. Let's put this, okay, here. As you can see guys, I did not put cooking oil because the beef already has many oil. Okay. So we must cook the beef first, even it is frozen. It's okay. Okay. Let's wait for the beef to flatten. See guys, the fat of the beef is already in there. So we don't need to put a cooking oil because it has too many fat. Okay. So we will wait for the beef to flatten. Okay. To make it cook. Okay. Okay, when the beef is now medium rare, just put the garlic. Okay? And also, let's put the paminta, the whole paminta. Okay? And then we halo this. We make it halo. So so let's just wait for the garlic to cook, and then we can put the secret recipe. Okay? Okay, be sure that you remove the garlic leftovers. What do you call this? Skin, garlic skin. And then we also add a salt as a ingredient also. I forgot the salt. Okay, so let's put some salt. Let's put some salt to taste. Okay, and then put this. And then pour the Mang Tomas seasoning, just a little. Okay, and then you're going to halo this again. And that's it. We have now a garlic pepper beef. A very, very delicious garlic pepper beef from Jollibee. Okay. Let's make it halo pa. Wow. As you can see guys, this is now the garlic pepper beef recipe. And now, this is the moment of truth. Wow! Let's taste the garlic pepper beef. Okay? Let's try this guys. Wow! Jollibee Garlic Pepper Beef.
Ito po talaga. This is it, the recipe of garlic pepper beef. It tastes like garlic pepper beef. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Gawa din kayo. Okay? Bye guys. Thank you so much. Ang sarap.